Student, let me see the ascending order. Here I write the 4 numbers. Now we have to arrange it in the ascending order. Ascending order means what? Smaller to greater number. Yes. First we have to first we find out the which number out of this 4 is the smallest number. So from smaller to greater we write. So let me compare first how we in the previous point we compare the numbers now. So from the left side you will see 9, 8, 7, 4 on the thousand place we compare. So which number is 5, 3, 2, 1 is the smaller. So in ascending order we put smaller number first. 5, 3, 2, 1. Then put comma. Then next one is, so cut this. So it is easier to identify. 9, 8. Again from the left side the thousand place. 9, 8, 7. So 7 is a 7, 5, 7, 4, 5, 3 a smaller than these two numbers. The next one is in 9 and 8. Who is the smaller? 8. Yes, 8, 3, 4, 5. And the last one is 9, 8, 9, 7. We arrange this number in ascending order. Let me take one more example. Yes, students, our next example is here 4 numbers I show you 4, 4, 6, 3, 2, 6, 2, 3, 9, 8, 1, 4 and 4, 7, 8, 9. Let me see how we arrange the ascending order. First we have to identify the smallest number. Start from the left side. 4, 2, 9, 4. So which number is 2? Yes, 2 is the smallest. So cut it. 2, 6, 2, 3. Then put comma. What the next? 4, 9, 4. 4, 4 equal. Now let me see the next 100 place. Here the 4 between two numbers only. Because the thousands place the number is same. 4 and 4. The next is on the 100 place 4 and here got 7. So 4 and 7 when 4, 4, 6, 3 is the smallest number. Among both of this the 100 place is 4 and here the number is 7. So 7 is the greater. Yes. So 4 is the smaller. The 4, 4, 6, 3 we write first and next to this number. 4, 7, 8, 9 and the last one is the greater number 9, 8, 1, 4. So this way we arrange the order in the smaller to greater, that is ascending order. Now let me see the descending order. Students, let me see the descending order. Descending order means what? From greater to smaller number. Yes. So, to compare this 4 digit, we will find which number is the greater number, then we will put first here. In ascending, the smallest number we will put first. The descending order, let me see from the left side, the thousand place, 5, 4, 6, 7. So, which is the greatest number is 7. So we cut here and write the answer 7, 8, 9, 1. Put the comma and now next is 5, 4, 6. 6 is the greater. 6, 6, 3, 2. Put the comma. Now compare this 5 and 4. 5 is greater. So we will write the number first 5, 8, 1, 1. And the last is 4, 4, 1, 1. This way we arrange the numbers in the greater to smaller, that is descending order. Let me see one more example. One more example for the descending order is, I write here 4 numbers, that 4 digit, that 8848, 8586, 8481 and 8201. You can see here the 8 is more like a little bit equal, but let me differentiate. How? Let's start from the left side. Compare this 8, but in all 4 number 8 is in on the 1000 place. Let me shift to the 100 place. 8, 5, 4, 2. Which is the greater? Keep in mind we have writing for the descending order greater to smaller. 8, 5, 4, 2. Which is the greater? Again this 8. So first we write 8, 8, 4, 2. Put comma. The next. Now we start from comparing from the 100 place. 5, 4, 2. Which is the greater? 5 number. So 8. Cut it here. 8, 5, 8, 6. Put comma. Now compare to this 8, 4. This is 4, this is 2. So we take first 8, 4, 8, 1. And last one 8, 2, 0, 1. So this is the answer for the descending order greater to small. Now this is answer, but if I say I have to write down for the same this number for the ascending, it is most easier now. Why we are writing for the greater number and greater to smaller, and if someone is say you, then write down the ascending order for the same question. So it is more easier. How? We start from the right side. Yes, right side number 8201 for smaller to greater method. So first it will come if I say for this ascending order. The same question, okay, and the ascending order we start from smaller here, because descending greater to smaller, in ascending smaller to greater. So we will write first the smaller number 8201, put comma, backward writing 8481, 8586 and 8848. Yes, so this is our point, ascending order, descending